Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Zakia from my page Zakia. Coming for a quick live just before iftar, just to show quick mixed collection live that I supposed to do yesterday. Just thought to come live quickly. Okay, so lots of new arrival coming, so I will not be able to do mixed collection live once all the new products started to arrive. So let me share my live. Let me share my live and also share our page basic information before I start as usual. Let me share my live. Sorry. So the live is live. Let me share my live and can hear my voice as well. So okay, so live is shared, live voice is clear. Anyone join? Thank you for joining. Let me know if you can hear my voice. I'm looking at Facebook and TikTok at the same time. So whoever joined, thank you for joining. So where is it? Where the live gone again? Page I never can find. Okay, so live is live. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. It's me Zakia from my page Zakia, coming live with our just quick mixed collection before iftar. I supposed to do this live yesterday, but then I couldn't do. My baby was not sleeping, so I'm just here today. Okay, so let's start. So we are Sydney based, online only. We do not have any physical store. Everything you see is available online only purchase. There's no shop location, no home visit, no pickup option. Everything you see available online only. If you like anything, simply take a screenshot and inbox to order, pay by pay ID or bank transfer. Once you make the payment, send us a payment screenshot including your full name, address and phone number. So we will confirm your order and send you tracking information within 24 to 48 hours. If you have any questions, send us a DM and we will get back to you. You can order lots of pre-order item. Pre-order takes normally 2 weeks maximum. 3 to 4 weeks. Hello Seema, thank you for joining, and also a lot of sisters join on TikTok. Pre-order takes normally 2 weeks, maximum 3 to 4 weeks. If you like something from our pre-order album, make sure you take a screenshot and DM me so we can confirm your order, and you can pay 50% or full price item, full payment, and then we will confirm your order and send you tracking information once the product arrived in Sydney. If you have received your product, the available product after you purchase, let us know once you receive the product. And if you're absolutely in love with our product, don't forget to share the good review so we can share with our other beautiful sisters to have some trust and faith on our page and product. Okay, so that's just our page basic information. We do not offer return, refund or exchange, so please choose carefully, as our business is very small. We can't afford to do all this, because to return it costs Australia post shipping, to refund it will be a big loss for our business. So please choose carefully, as our valuable customers, we always respect your opinion and everything, so please respect our business at the same time. Okay, and we do not offer home visit, pickup or try before buy. Okay, if you still have any questions, send us a DM and we will definitely get back to you. So let's start. My sari I showed before, but nobody purchased, that I am proudly wearing. But if you're absolutely in love with my sari, you can pre-order. This sari comes 4 color. I am wearing pink with wine color combination. Also had black with blue, and few other color. If you DM me, I can send you this beautiful sari collection. It's the very latest one I showed in my couple of weeks before live. but nobody purchased, so I'm proudly wearing it. Okay, so every time I show beautiful collection, but then when I wear it, people wants to buy my sari or my jewelry. Okay, so let's start. So today most of the product I'm showing is pink tone based, or wine and pink or purple tone based. I am coming up with an idea that I will try to do color coordinated live. So today I'm presenting all pinkish tone or wine tone or purple tone sari. Maybe next live I'll do all red tone sari. Next live I'll do all black tone sari. This is something I want to do, and have all the design but similar color. Okay, so let's start. My gorgeous necklace set you can pre-order. This one also I showed, but nobody purchased. Bangles also can pre-order. Finger ring is available in stock. So let me show you my beautiful collection. So I have launched my floral collection last year. Now I will continue, of course, my own designer collection. Where are you based in? We are based in Sydney, but online only purchase, sister. Hello Asha, thank you for joining. Oh my god, you just make me blush every time you join. Okay, thank you so much. I just take my fingering off. So what I was saying, I have proudly launched my own production. So my floral collection, which is going to be my regular signature collection. Anything floral will be my signature collection moving forward. You will see lots of amazing collection is coming very soon. So this batch, when it came 4 sari with ready blouse and fully stitched blouse and fall pico done fully handwork. 2 is still available, so I'm showing you. Black and wine color is sold, so these 2 is still available. So I just thought to show, because it's very frustrating when Facebook live is deleted and sisters, they can't see the live anymore. That's why I'm repeating. So you have option to see, because everyone is busy. Not a lot of people have time to sit down and watch the live again, so I just repeat the product again just for your convenience. Okay, so these 2 beautiful design is still available, so let me show you one at a time. The wine color and black color was the best one. This is also nice, but those 2 were like pure chiffon fabric, and it was sold straight after live. Okay, so this beautiful sari comes with fully stitched blouse and full handwork. You can see fully mirror work and kardana work all over the blouse, with beautiful hanging tassel and the neck embellishment. This is supposed to be in the back. The heavy work goes actually on the back, because if it is on the front you can't really see the work, so the work goes on the back. So your back is like a statement. Okay, so back, the work will go on the back. Okay, some sari work is on the front, but some sari work is on the back. So this one goes on the back. How much your necklace, dear? Where you located? Hello, price of the necklace you're wearing. This one was, I think, 55. If I remember top of my head, it was 55. It's fully beautiful multicolor eddy stone. You can pre-order. Okay, it was only one came when I did my jewelry live, but nobody purchased, so I'm proudly wearing. But if you want, you can have it 55 only. Do you sell? Yes. Yes, this is for selling. So you can either have my one or you can pre-order. Price is 55, I think. I said 55. Claim? Okay, send me a DM, sister. Send me a DM. Take a screenshot and send me a DM. You can claim it. So that's the beautiful blouse, okay? And the sari is fully floral, absolutely gorgeous. Heavy handwork, located in Sydney, dear. Online only. Please do have a look. My last reel I did for the home visit option. We don't do home visit. Baba, please don't make noise. So this is the beautiful sari, is fully your number. Just send me DM, sister. I don't say the phone number on the public live just because there's a lot of men also watching. Sister, you are from location. I am from Sydney, dear. So this is the beautiful sari, all over heavy kardana handwork. Okay, it's called Khatli work, and fully pearl beads and sequins and kardana and pearl work all over the flower. So this is the big flower that goes on the top of your, what is it? Do you deliver to London? How much, dear? Which one? How much? Take a screenshot and send me a DM. London, we can also. I sent you message. Okay, I will check after the live. Give me some time after I do the live. I will do it. Mama, don't do it. So this is the beautiful sari, all over big floral pattern and print. This is the most trending, most viral. How much, dear? Which one? Please keep the necklace. Okay, I will keep the necklace. Okay, so this is the beautiful sari, all over beautiful floral work. The sari is so pretty. You can't see the beauty of the sari in the live. If I show you wearing it full picture, you will absolutely fall in love. It goes with the necklace as well. And this is your beautiful blouse, which is fully ready. Sari is fully fall pico done. You can wear something else. Oh, okay. You want me to take it off? I will take it off. Oh my God. Okay, I will take it off. Here you go. That's your necklace. Oh my God. You can have it, sister. No problem. I will wear something else. Okay. And I will sanitize, of course, before I send it. Thank you, sister. You are welcome. Where is it? Where what? Sorry. My shop location is online, sister. You wear one. I have hundreds of jewelry. I don't need to wear. That's all good. I wear the earring only. That's okay. Anyone else like to pre-order the jewelry? You can pre-order. Where are you from? Which country? I am from Sydney, Sydney, Australia. So let me wear this earring. Sorry. Now, if you like my earring, you can also order. This is also in stock. I am from Sydney too. Okay, perfect. All right, so this is the beautiful sari. And this, ouch, this is your beautiful ready blouse. If you like to order, you can order. This sari is next level. How much is the sari? I'm telling you, just let me explain. So this is the back, okay? You wear sari, how much? Oh, my sari is only 150, but it's not in stock. You can pre-order. Okay, I showed this in my previous live. Anything that's not sold, then I wear in my live, and then people wants to buy. So that's the beautiful, and also this blouse goes with this sari. That's absolutely gorgeous. So if you like to order this beautiful sari, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Okay, sari is fully handwork, fall pico done, and ready to wear blouse. Blouse is 38 to 44, can wear inside, plenty of margin. Look how big margin is inside. Look at the margin. Okay, almost 4-inch margin inside. Singapore can, sister. Lot of sisters tell me all these, but then after live I DM, then you guys don't reply. Malaysia, sister, I can. Singapore also I can, but you have to check your DM. You can ship to USA. Yes, I can ship to USA. So if you really want to order, do you have any simple casual sari? Yes, I have lots of different sari. Just send me a DM. Okay, so this is the beautiful sari. If you like to order, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Okay, this is pure crepe satin silk, like a pure crepe silk. Okay, and this is the beautiful blouse. Okay, take a screenshot and inbox to order. This one is only 280. This one, sorry, 250, sorry, 250. Other one I had 220. This one is 250 only for this heavy sari. Okay, 250 only. If you like to claim, you can just simply take a screenshot and DM me. This is my own signature collection. You won't find any replica or copy version. If you find, that's the copy version, because this is my own manufacturer did it, complete handwork. Okay, so moving on to the next size. So 250 only, this one. Okay, this design have 10 color. If you want different color, like if you want red, yellow, green, purple, black, white, all different color is actually available for this sari. You can color customize. Okay, at this stage, look, it's fall pico done. Okay, fully fall pico done, similar to my sari tone. This sari is actually very much trending, these sari colors. Okay, so 250 only with fully stitched blouse. And my sari, if you want to pre-order, it's 150. There is 4 color available. Where are you from? I am from, if you want to know where I'm from originally, I'm originally from Bangladesh. Do you deliver to Mauritius? Yes, we can deliver anywhere in the world as long as you pay for international shipping. Okay, whoever joined on Facebook as well, thank you for joining. If you are really interested, then send me a DM with a screenshot which product, and also make sure you reply and check your DM, because after my last live I sent almost 100 people reply, but nobody actually reply. Okay, so please make sure you check your DM. It may be sitting in your spam. You have to check. Moving on to the next sari. I'm sweating like anything. Oh. Okay. I have to feed my baby. I thought I'll be. Are you accept me? I can reply back. Yes, of course. What I'm doing? Sorry. I will just check the message. 1 second. Give me 1 second. Sweating like anything. So this one is 250 only. Okay. Fully handwork and fully stitched ready blouse. Just to stitch one blouse in Sydney cost you $85 with the inner. Okay, so this is fully stitched and fully handwork, heavy handwork all over the sari and blouse. So let me quickly check your message. What did you send? Very hot, sorry. Yeah, I have received 2 messages. Accept. Okay, claim the necklace. I confirm. Yes, confirm. And what's Hi sister, you're from Malaysia. No, I am from Sydney, but originally from Bangladesh. Okay, so that's all. Moving on to the next sari. So this is the beautiful pink color, absolutely hot pink color, absolutely gorgeous, exactly similar type material, but design is different. Mama, sit down. Don't go there. um, Floral pattern on this sari is different, the handwork is different. Okay, please send me your number. I will send you after the live. Okay, give me some time sister, let me finish the live, otherwise I'll be very late. Last time I was like 1.5 hour late, talking. I'm very quick normally on my live. Okay, so I will get back to you everything after live, please. So this is the next sari I'm showing you. Hot pink color, absolutely gorgeous. All over floral print as well, and fully handwork and sequence, pearl, kardana and all that. Did you do the sari which you wear? My sari you can pre-order. My sari you can pre-order. It's a dual shade sari. No, mama, don't come here. Okay, dual shade sari. How can I show two sari together? It's like this. Okay, very beautiful Swarovski stonework all over the pallu and dual shade. Okay, pink with wine shade, absolutely gorgeous. Blouse. Where are you from? I'm from Sydney. Blouse length. Okay, this blouse length I will tell you 1 second. So if you want to order my sari, you can pre-order. So blouse long length. Blouse is good enough length. Mama, don't come here. Mama, don't come here. No, you can't come here, Amu. No, I'm doing live, Mama. So blouse length is 16. Okay, body long length is 16. Does the blouse cover the belly? It should, because it's 16. Normally you wear 14 or 13 or 14. It's 16 length. I intentionally told my supplier to make it longer. Mama, don't go there. Papa, I'm doing live. Please sit down. Can you please sit down? No, not doing that, Ammu. Please. Please. I love you, Bocho. Okay, so how much is the sari? 250 only, sister. 250 only with the ready blouse, full handwork. Okay, it's a very heavy handwork. Okay, with the hanging beads and everything. You are from India? No, I'm not from India. And blouse measurement is 38 to 44 can wear. Where are you located? Oh my god, this question. I am keep telling everybody I'm based in Sydney, but online only shopping. Okay, so if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is only 250. If you want to claim it, claim it. Otherwise you will see me wearing again in my live. Red sari behind. I will show. Where is the red sari? There is no red sari here, sister. That's a red dress. I will show you. Okay, every new year. That's okay, no problem. That's all good. You should pin your location. Where do I, how do I pin that? I, does it allow to pin the location? I don't know. It should be already saying on my details. Okay, so that's the beautiful sari and that's the beautiful blouse. Okay, the design, the the design actually goes on the back. So I'm telling you, this one, me please. Okay, So this one design actually goes on the back, sisters, so please be very sure. This is your front with the cup, and the heavy design goes on your back. Okay, so be very yes, you can say check my location and then bio. um that's okay, I'm keep telling you, sister, that's okay. You can ask me 100 times, I will tell you 100 times, no problem. Okay, so that's the 250 only, fully crepe material sari, fully heavy handwork, and ready to wear blouse, fall pico down. And I like your sari, you can pre-order, this is very trending, very very trending sari. Mama, please sit down. Okay, sit down, Amu. So if you like to order, you can order. My sari is 150 only, and this one is 250 only with the fall pico and heavy handwork done. Okay, and it's the most trending sari in 2026. Everybody, yes, sister, we can ship anywhere in the world. Um, Anywhere in the world we can ship. You have to just pay for international shipping. Okay, your sari really nice, thank you so much. Sari ready, what is it, it's sari ready made bottom, I mean, no, bottom is not pre-pleated. If you want to order pre-pleated sari, you have to pre-order. Shipping is depends on the Australia Post how much they charge. If you send me a DM, I will tell you after the live. Okay, there is a shipment and calculation on Australia Post website. Okay, so moving on to the next sari. This is also floral pattern, absolutely gorgeous, but this one is just the sari with the blouse, normal blouse. Material is chiffon. Okay, as I said, today I'm showing mostly this color tone sari. So this is the beautiful floral also, and big beautiful flower, absolutely gorgeous flower. Okay, price please, which one, sister, how much is the shipping? I will tell you after the live. So this is the pure chiffon, fully handwork as well, all over the sari flower. Okay, and the border absolutely gorgeous, and mark to, what is it, I can't read, some comments are going so fast I can't read. So this is your beautiful blouse piece. Okay, this is your beautiful blouse piece, and blouse just have a border. The one I'm holding, okay, this one is only 120. This one is only 120, pure chiffon, fully handwork. Okay, pure chiffon, fully handwork. Any other color? Yeah, this design comes almost 10 color. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is only 120 only. Okay, 120. Any other color? This one comes green, olive green, green, black, purple. Okay, so if you like it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is 120 only. This one is pure chiffon. Pure chiffon with beautiful big floral pattern all over the sari. These saris are viral like anything. Okay, super trending, must have sari, and all over sari has big blooming flower and running blouse. Okay, if you want fully stitched blouse and fall pico done, that will be 150 on pre-order. How much? 120. This one 120 only. This is pure chiffon. If you just buy pure chiffon material itself, just the sari pure chiffon will be 85, and you are getting like almost bargain for handwork. Okay, you can find floral sari for $50. Those are replica version and also not pure material, so be very careful what you are buying. Okay, lots of comment I'm missing. Hi sister. Okay, that's the beautiful wine color. If you like it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is only 120. It was 150 or 165, so I'm giving you offer price only 120. Okay, so if you want to claim it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Moving on to next sari, I have to be quick, so I'll show you the green one. There is a green one, but this green one is different floral pattern. This green one is similar to the first sari I'm showing you. This design, same floral pattern, but this is heavy work, and this one is little bit less heavy work, but green color. Okay, so this is the beautiful green color, absolutely gorgeous, heavy handwork all over the flower. 120 of what currency? Australian dollar, because I'm in Australia. Okay, so if you like to order this beautiful one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. This one is 150 because this one is not ready blouse. This is also original price was 165. Today I'm giving you only 150. Okay, original price was 165. Today's special 150. Okay, so this is your beautiful blouse piece. Printed state, which state? Sydney, New South Wales. Oh my god. This is the border for the handwork border on the sleeve. Sister, I'm based in Sydney, but our page don't have any shop location. We are Sydney based, 100% online purchase. If you like to order, you simply take a screenshot and DM to order. And after live, I will get back to you, accept your message. And you have in Melbourne? No, I can ship it to you Melbourne. Okay, Melbourne or any state, I can ship it to you. So that's the flower goes on your pallu side. This is the big flower, and the all over the body has the flower, and all over sari has handwork. It's a crepe material, crepe silk, super viral, super trending, absolutely gorgeous. Okay, we can ship anywhere in the world, not only within Australia but internationally, as long as you just pay for the international shipping. Okay, this one comes with running blouse. If you need fall pico done fully stitched blouse, we can also offer you that service. You just have to pay for it for the pre-order. Okay, sorry if I don't look on Facebook regularly, because on TikTok it's like hundreds of sisters join, so please excuse me, my Facebook sisters, if I don't look at you more. Hope you understand. Okay, so price please, this one is 150 discounted from 165. 150 only, full heavy handwork all over the flower. It's my own signature collection. Okay, so if you want to claim it, just simply take a screenshot and inbox to order. Very nice material. This design, white, blue, red, green, purple, yellow, black available. Okay, moving on to the next saree. Price is 150 only, and the chiffon was 120. This is crepe silk. Moving on to the next saree. Today my goal was to show only pinkish tone color saree. What your YouTube channel name? Zakia underscore online. Subscribe to your YouTube channel, and then you can watch this live tomorrow on YouTube channel or all our previous live. Don't do them jumping, you're gonna hurt yourself again. Sit down. I'm nearly finished, only few more left. Okay, Baba, just wait. Yeah, just sit down. So moving on to the what your I just said that. Okay, price already mentioned. Moving on to the next beautiful sari. This is one of my signature collection. I had 2024 sparkle collection. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. This is the very beautiful onion pink color, all over heavy handwork and embroidery and zircon stone. Okay, zircon stone all over the sari. These are all zircon stone all over the sari. Let me show you this sari. It's so heavy sari. Heavy means heavy work, not the weight heavy. Okay, all over heavy work. This is the beautiful heavy sari all over, exclusively gorgeous. Look at me, it goes with my beautiful. You're gonna hurt yourself. Can you please sit down? Sit down. So that's the beautiful onion pink color, goes with my earring, goes with my blouse. Oh my god, this is the most royal set. This is the last time I'm showing this sari. If no one purchased, this is mine. Okay, if no one purchased this gorgeous sari, this is going to be mine. I am serious. This is last time I'm showing you. Trust me, some people actually don't value the good quality product. Okay, they only look for price, but they don't actually value the quality. Look, this all over body is heavy work. Okay, all over the sari is heavy work. Absolutely royal looking sari. This is goes on your pleat section. And let me show you the beautiful blouse piece. Blouse piece also very royal. This is your blouse piece. Okay, this is your blouse piece. Absolutely mind-blowing color. It will go with any skin tone. Pink is something very very universal and makes every skin color very very classy. Okay, if you no, please no. If you like this gorgeous sari for the last time I'm showing you, if no one purchase, I will be proudly wearing in my live next time. Trust me. At TA, what do you mean? If you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Only one available in this design. There is no other color, no other copy, and not possible to even pre-order or anything. Okay, this is out of stock with my supplier. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Beautiful blouse and heavy handwork all over. Absolutely classy piece. Okay, you will be flying to the next level. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Floral work also has powder blue and like a orangey tone mina work all over the. No, mama, please, please sit down. Okay, so this is the beautiful sari. If you like it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Only one available. These designs, there is no other color or copy available. Similar to my sari color, this type of color is like a, what do you call it, pastel colors are very much trending. What is it? Very much trending, this type of pastel colors, like a mauve color, onion pink color, sky color, powder blue, um, baby powder blue, baby yellow, baby pink. Okay, all these colors are very much trending. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Mama, sit down. No, you can't. You can't come here, Ammo. Because I wanted to. No. Because I wanted to come here. I can't show you public, Baba. You can't come here. Okay. So that's the sari. Moving on to the next sari. Please don't come here. Please sit down. That's the reason I don't want to do live when baby is not sleeping. But because I didn't do live yesterday, I just thought I don't care. I just have to do it. What's the time? I have to be quick. It's already 7. What is it? Rohini. What's the price? Which one, sister? Oh, this one is 75. Price already mentioned in the live. Most of the time I'm now telling the price. Normally I don't like to tell the price, but because of a lot of sister asking for price, I have to tell the price. No choice. Okay. I will send you after the live. Okay, so we can ship. We can ship Malaysia. We can ship, sister. Moving on to the next sari, which is very beautiful, marble georgette material, absolutely gorgeous purple color. Details of your earring. This is like a eddy stone, rainbow eddy stone, and absolutely gorgeous. Also available in stock. You can order. Okay, sister. So moving on to the next sari, fully shivori print and fully Swarovski stone all over the sari. Okay, and pallu has a beautiful tassel. Only one color available in this sari. Mama, please don't make noise. People can hear your noise. That's disturbing my life. Okay, so this is the beautiful purple sari with shibori. Absolutely royal classy piece as well. All over heavy Swarovski stone. Look at the color and look at the print. Marble georgette with satin border. Papa, did I tell you to be nice when I do live? You can talk to me when I'm doing live. People can hear your voice, Ammu. Please sit down. I just finished 2 more products. Then I will be with you. Okay, Mama, give me 2 more minutes. Just sit down, please. Yeah, I just need to do few more dress quickly and then I'm done. How do I order your earring? You can take a screenshot and send me a DM. Okay, sister? Take a screenshot and send me a DM. Do you have haldi color? Haldi color, I have other sari, sister. The flower sari, this one I have yellow color in stock. Okay, with ready blouse. So this one running blouse. Okay, and blouse has this beautiful Swarovski work. Okay, can you show which one, sister? Show you yellow one. Give me 1 second. I'll show you the yellow one. So this is the purple one, pure marble georgette with satin border in the middle. The stripes are satin border and Swarovski stonework all over the sari plus shibori. Okay, absolutely gorgeous this sari. If you like to order, please take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is only 120. Okay, absolutely gorgeous sari. All over heavy Swarovski stone. You can pair up with silver sequence blouse or white blouse. What country you are located? I am located in Sydney, Australia. Sydney, Australia. Okay, sister. So moving on quickly. I have to be quick, otherwise I'll be late for iftar, and also for my son is hungry already. He needs to eat dinner. He's getting late. I am from UK. Okay. So we can ship to UK. If you pay for international shipping, we can ship anywhere in the world, sisters. Any these days world is like this small. Okay, UK is not far. UK, Canada, Switzerland, nothing is far anymore. Okay, everything is in your fingertips. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Moving on to the next sari quickly. Oh my god, I'm getting late. My son is so hungry. Mama, don't go there. Okay, Baba, sit down. Moving on to the next beautiful sari. Okay, this is the beautiful hand painted, hand brush painted on pure chiffon material. Also floral pattern and handwork. This was also my collection. Please don't talk like that. And this is your beautiful pallu. Okay, this is your beautiful pallu all over like this. This sari came 3 color, but there is like 10 or 15 color available in this design. Absolutely mardala color and design. Floral pattern is super trending and goes with my earring, goes with my blouse. Okay, look at the beautiful color. Mama, look at the beautiful color. That's your border and pure chiffon material, and blouse has, this is your blouse piece from here, the joint, and this is the beautiful sleeve that goes on your sleeve. So if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Okay, just take a screenshot and send me a DM to order. This design comes 10 to 15 color, but only I have this color now. If you want other color, you can send me a DM and I can send you the color chart, what's available. Moving on to quickly next sari. Oh my god, I have to rush now. I can fold it later on. Yeah. So yellow one I will show you quickly. Oh, don't do that. Please don't do that. Are you running that study? Yes, I'm just looking for the yellow study. Where is that yellow study? See here. Is it that yellow study? Yeah, I found it. Papa, sit down. Please don't talk. Don't talk, don't talk. Okay, whoever sister asked for the yellow one, so I have the yellow one. For haldi, you can wear this yellow one. This is different floral pattern. Okay, this is your pallu side. This is the flower. All over heavy handwork. Okay, that's the yellow one. Yellow one is more prettier. The color, oh, my blouse matches almost every sari. Look, this dark tone actually goes with my blouse. If you buy this blouse, you can buy, like, wear pretty much every sari. So this is the beautiful blouse piece for the yellow one. This is the work on the blouse. 150 only, sister. 150. Okay, fully handwork. And originally it was 165. Today I'm giving you 150. Okay, this is the neck portion for your blouse. You can put it on the front or put it on the back. What is it? Pounds? No. 120 in Australian dollars. So convert it to your pounds. I don't know how much in your pounds. Maybe 65 pounds or 70 pounds, something like that. I don't know. I'm just guessing roughly. Okay, this is Australian dollar. Okay, 150 is Australian dollar. Okay, if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. This is so pretty. Goes with my blouse and my lipstick as well. Okay, 150 only. Moving on to the next sari. These are the crepe silk material. Okay, I'm just rushing because I'll be late for iftar. Moving on to the most trending, most viral Jimmy Choo sari. I had this sari almost 5 to 10 colors. This one is still available. So this is like a uh, lilac color or lavenderish purple color. Okay, heavy handwork, fully heavy handwork. This one is my original piece. When first this launched, first copy, like first master copy, when first this design launched, I got my first batch. Okay, so this is not replica, this is not a copy version, this is not a recent one, this is from first version. So whoever lucky, they can have the first original copy. This is not recent ones. Okay, recent one is very fake and very replica and so plasticky material. This is original zircon stone handwork all over the sari. Okay, all over the sari, heavy zircon stone handwork. I had rani color sky. Ammu, pore jabe ammu, pore jabe ammu. Don't do this. Please don't do this. So this is the beautiful lavenderish purple color or mauve color. I don't know what color, you can tell. It's absolutely gorgeous. High price, please. I'll tell you. Just give me 1 second. So this is, let me show you the gorgeous blouse. Let me show you the gorgeous blouse. This is not the replica you can find very cheap now. This is the original copy when I first got my first batch. This is from my first batch. I'm just showing because of the color pattern that I chose today to show. Okay, this is the... Mama, you are making very noisy. Don't do this, please. No, please sit down. Oh, it's hard to do when your toddler is jumping around. Being a mom, man, it's not easy, man. Trust me. Okay, so this is the... But I need to make him understand that what I'm doing, like my live session. So he gets used to that when I do live, he needs to be quiet and all that. So trying to do it daytime now, so he knows what I'm doing and he's learning. So this is your beautiful blouse piece. If you like it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. This goes on your sleeve, that goes on your front or back. This is absolutely heavy sari and very classy color. Absolutely royal. You will fly to the next level. Look at the color. Today I chose all the sari this similar color. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, if you like it, oh my god, there is like a thunderstorm. Take a screenshot and inbox to order. Aha, please. Take a screenshot and inbox to order. Sorry for the background noise. Hope you don't mind. Okay. I can't mute him. There is no remote for him to mute. Mama, they can't hear my voice. Please. Sorry about that. They can't hear my voice, Abu. What can you say? Okay, what can you say to a toddler? Okay, if you like this gorgeous one, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Look how classy it will look. It goes with my makeup, goes with my earring. Absolutely stunning piece. Gives you shimmer and it changes color. Okay, so sometimes it might give you pinkish tone like my sari. Sometimes it gives you pinkish tone. Sometimes gives you lavenderish or purplish tone. Okay, it's a very heavy sari, fully heavy handwork and fully zircon stone loaded all over the sari. Okay, oh my god, already 7 o'clock. Quick, quick, quick. So if you like it, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Price is only 250. Price is only 250. It's a very heavy sari. It's a very heavy sari. And it's original piece. It's not a replica one. Okay, I got this when my first batch I received. And all my sister whoever bought this sari, they know how heavy is this sari. You can get the plastic version, the fake plastic version, which is now flooding in all over the market. Those are not original copy. Okay, moving on to the last two sari. This is the beautiful sequence sari. Last one I had black color and this color. Black color is sold. But if anyone wants black color, you can pre-order. Okay, if you like to order black color, you can pre-order. Mama, please don't do it. That's your pallu side, all over heavy sequence, dual tone sequence work. Okay, absolutely gorgeous Bollywood kind of sari. Once you wear this, look at me, I am already flying to the next level. This is the classiest sequence sari. Whenever you wear sequence sari, you look totally different. Okay, can you show again later pink one? Which pink one, sister? Which pink one? You need to send me a screenshot because pretty much every sari I showed here is pink. Hi. I just said hi. Whoever sent me hi, I just said hi. Can you please send me the screenshot? Sold. This one is sold. Order available. Okay, so this one is only red. Or do you deliver worldwide? Yes, we do ship anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is the beautiful maroonish red, absolutely royal sari. Trust me, if no one is buying, I have no regret because sequence sari is like mama, what are you doing? That's enough. Okay, I'm now upset. I'm getting upset now. Please, I can't be nice anymore. Stop right now. Sorry about that. So this is the beautiful raw silk material. Because the sari is so heavy, that's why blouse piece is just plain. Okay, sari is so bling bling all the way. You don't need any more bling on your blouse. It will be like too much. That's why the blouse is very plain. So if you like to claim this gorgeous sari, only one piece available. Take a screenshot and inbox to order. This saree also available black color. If you like to order black color, you can order black color. Okay. So last saree I'll show you, and then I'll have few dresses that you can pre-order.
Mommy,
Not coming here.
because I wanted to come here now.
No, no.
I wanted to.
What is it? Okay. So that's the next sari. Last sari I'm showing you. That's the Bandhni pure Dola silk Bandhni sari with border, has Swarovski stone work all over the border and pallu.
I wanted to.
Okay, and this sari I had yellow, red, green and wine. Yellow is sold, green and wine is still available, and I kept for myself red one. Okay, so if you like to order, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Okay, absolutely gorgeous, and all over this flower or circle thing has fully loaded Swarovski or zircon stone work all over the sari. How you have saffron color sari. I might have, just not here. If you send me a DM, I can send you after the live. Okay, so this is the beautiful wine color. What a blouse I chose today goes with every sari today, with this beautiful thread coming off. Pallu has tassel and also has this Swarovski border all over the sari. Only wine color available. Where are you from? I am originally born in Bangladesh. Oh my god. But lived half of my life in Australia. Okay, so this is the beautiful sequence blouse. Okay, this is the beautiful sequence blouse contrasting with the border, not coming here, and has this beautiful border on the blouse. Okay, so if you like this gorgeous sari, take a screenshot and inbox to order. Absolutely classy piece. That's the last sari for tonight. I'm showing you. Mama, please. Okay. Moving on to the few other product, and then I'm done for tonight. Oh my god. Sorry about the noise. What can you do? Your child doesn't listen. Okay, so I have this new arrival as a sample. This came, it came my size because I wanted to have as a sample. So I thought if it's not sold, then I will keep it for myself. Not coming here, please. Okay, this is like a Lucknowi chicken curry, fully chicken curry, self chicken curry work. 3 piece, red color, all over heavy work. Okay, because it's a self color, you can't really see the work, but it has the work. Okay, it has the self chicken curry work, very very comfortable. I was almost wearing this today, but then I thought I prefer to wear sari. So this came as a sample. Size is only L available. If no one purchase, then of course I will keep it for myself, but if you want to order, you can order. This one is size L available, but pre-order available medium, large, XL, double XL. Okay, and it comes with matching dupatta and matching pant. Pant also has this beautiful Lucknowi stitch work. Material is pure Georgette. Mama, don't go there. Material is pure Georgette. Okay, absolutely beautiful. The sari you wearing collection, please. Didn't understand, dear. What are you saying? My sari available 4 color. You need to pre-order if you want my color. But there is a black and blue, red and black, pink with wine, and navy blue with sky. 4 color contrast available. Sari is 150 only, but you can pre-order. Delivery 2 weeks. No yellow bag. Bag? I'm not showing here any bag, but if you are looking for handbag, you can have matching handbag. We have some potli bags or clutches. Kundan clutches available. So there is a post on my page. You can take a screenshot if you like any Kundan clutch and you can order. Okay, so this is the pant. Uh, and this is the dupatta with the kameez, three piece. So if you want to pre-order, you can pre-order this. Size available: medium, large, XL and double XL. Okay, this one comes only red color. Which country? Australia. Australia, Sydney, Australia. Okay, so this one have L in stock, but if you need medium, XL, double XL, you can pre-order. Okay, you can pre-order. No, please don't come here.
Cream. Ice
Okay,
cream, please.
so this is the red one and I have yellow as well. Both of them are self color. Okay, thanks dear. Okay, all right, so this is the yellow one also L in stock, but if you want, you can get medium, large, XL, double XL. Okay, comes with matching dupatta and pant also has chicken curry work. Okay, so Lucknowi chicken curry work. Lo-
Let's make chicken curry.
Aha, please. Location is Sydney. Okay, location is Sydney. So that's the size L in stock, but you can pre-order other sizes which I will bring in my next shipment. This batch only came as a sample to see the quality. Okay, moving on to the next. It's like a gown with a over on the top is like a overcoated kind of thing. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. This one is this one is also size L. Um, this also comes maroon color and brick red color. Okay, and size also available: medium, large, XL and double XL. Absolutely flowy, and material is like a chinon crepes, like a crushed chinon silk kind of material. Absolutely royal. It's like a two piece, doesn't come with pant or anything, just on the top is like a koti style. You wear it itself or you can pair up with the leggings or churidar pant. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. You can order medium, large, XL, double XL, three color available: hot pink, green and brick red. Okay, and back is like this. Okay, and this one is sleeveless. You can wear it as a kameez or wear it with the overcoaty. Very much trending long gown, absolutely beautiful and classy piece. Okay, so that's it. And last one is this one. I have double XL and this is a long gown two piece as well. Color is like a sage green kind of color or pastel green kind of color with a umbrella cut sleeve and all over heavy embroidery sequence work. Okay, and dupatta, matching dupatta, back also heavy work all over. Size is double XL. Okay, dear. So that's all for tonight, guys. I have to rush because of iftar. I will be late, and my son is already very hungry. So yes. So whoever joined, thank you for
1, 2, 3, 4.
price for the earring, sister.
1, 2,
Um,
3, 4, 5.
I'm sending you the price on your DM. Okay, so that's all for tonight, guys. Whoever joined, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, Asha. Thank you, Seema. And thank you, Laura Buster, other sister. Hi. What other colors on this, please? Which one, sister? Sari or kameez? Kameez, this design came only these two color. Oh my God, there's like a thunderstorm and oh my God. Okay, this kameez only came those two color, but there is more exclusive color and design and prints are coming in my next shipment. You can send me a DM with a screenshot. I will get back to you after the live. So whoever joined, thank you for joining. If you want to order my sari, take a screenshot and DM to order. It will be pre-order. Pre-order normally takes 2 weeks maximum, 3 to 4 weeks, but normally very fast 2 weeks. Okay, so our next live is on Saturday night 9 p.m. Sydney time for exclusive designer blouse collection, and then after that next Wednesday will be another live. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel is Zakia_online to watch all our regular live on YouTube channel, and my fingering also available. You can order, it's in stock. Okay, lot of things in not in stock because I bring for sample basis to show, and if anyone likes they can pre-order. Okay, because I hate piling up stock after stock. It will be a I do pre-order. If someone likes, definitely they can pre-order. Okay, so I'll see you on Saturday night 9 p.m. Sydney time. Don't miss it with our exclusive Eid collection blouse, designer blouse, and then after that we will showcase another beautiful collection for it. Until then, have a blessed Ramadan. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful evening. Have a blessed Ramadan. Thank you so much, everybody. Okay. Lots of love. Take care. Bye, everyone. Send me a DM whoever seriously wants to order. Okay. Bye for now.